Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to learn about why is my washer shaking so much. Well, it could be because it's out of level. And what I mean by out of level is if you look at my little level here, right now it says I am level, okay? Problem is, now I'm not, okay? This wants to sit level, but the moment it starts to move, it's going to start doing this, making a lot of rocking, okay? So what I want is, I want my level left to right, front to back. Right now I have a foot that's either too high or too low. And how I can tell which one it is if I put my hand here and I push to the back corner, it moves. One of those 2 feet is bad. I do the same thing. I come to this side, okay, and push. You can see how it's starting to roll. So I know one of my 2 front feet are the ones that are bad. So what you want to do is figure out which one it is, okay? So you can see how I'm tilting like this. That means that foot is going on these 2 feet here. So I have one of 2 things I can do. I can raise this foot or I can lower that foot. Doesn't really make a difference as long as you stay level. So we want to, be careful when you do this, not to think. Okay, we're going to bring this foot down. Okay, I'm going to lower it a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit, okay? Then we're going to set it back down, okay? And now I'm going to do the same thing. If I push or pull, it doesn't move, okay? Same thing on this side. If I push and pull corner to corner, it doesn't move. That means we're relatively level. Put your level back on it, okay? And we're level again. And now, see, if I pull and push, it doesn't do anything. And then you go front to back like this, and see now, in all reality, I need to bring this back up just a hair, or I need to bring the front up to match it up, okay? Once I'm level, that's where I know I'm level, okay? Obviously this is installed in a home, so I'm not overly worried about it being level, but when it's in your house, it really does need to be level. So you want to do it front to back and side to side level, okay? That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.